Hello friends, this question is from the test series number 9 from the subjects of analog circuit. Topic name is operational amplifier. It's a 2 marks problem. It's a op-amp based circuit. We need to find out the output voltage. In the circuit you can see that when 1 volt supply is connected, and the important thing is this, that non-inverting terminal is grounded. So non-inverting terminal is grounded, so the voltage is 0 volt here. From the virtual ground property, this node voltage is also 0. If this node voltage is 0 and here the minus 1 volt is 1 volt battery is connected, so I can find out the current across 10k. So what is the current across 10k? Let's name is I1. This I1 will be nothing but 0 minus of minus 1 upon 10k, which is nothing but at 0.1 milliampere. So my I1 is 0.1 milliampere, friends. So you know that input current of the op-amp is 0, so the current across 22 kilo ohm is also 0.1 milliampere. So the voltage drop across 22 kilo ohm, so voltage drop across, let's name it as a VB. Voltage drop across 22 kilo ohm will be VB voltage, which is nothing but 22k multiplied by 0.1 milliampere, which is 2.2 volt. So my VB is 2.2 volt. So VB voltage is the voltage between node B to ground, and 2.2 volt is the voltage. So what is the current across 2.2 kilo ohm? So current across 2.2 kilo ohm resistor will be 2.2 upon 2.2, which is 1 milliampere. 1 milliampere. So current across this 2.2 kilo ohm is 1 milliampere, right? So from higher to lower voltage, so 1 milliampere current is here and 0.1 milliampere current is here. So what is the total current across 4.7? So total current across 4.7 will be 1.1 milliampere. Total current across 4.7 will be 1.1 milliampere. So what is the voltage drop across 4.7? So the voltage drop across 4.7 kilo ohm resistor will be nothing but 1.1 multiplied by 4.7. It is milliampere and it is kilo ohm, so kilo and milliampere will cancel each other. So 1.1 multiplied by 4.7 will be 5.17 volt. So voltage drop across 4.7 kilo ohm resistor is 5.17. So friends, the 5.17 voltage drop is across this resistor. 2.2 volt voltage dropping across 2.2k. So what will be my overall voltage? My overall output voltage will be sum of 5.17 plus 2.2, which is 7.37 volt. 7.37 will be my answer. Okay, so that's how we have solved this question. So in the op-amp based question, in every run of the op-amp, basically we need to use the KCL, the current divider, because op-amp is essentially a nodal based circuit. So we always use a KCL technique to solve the every op-amp problem. That is what we have did. We have only dividing the current here in each and every node. Okay, thank you.